Want to know how to check if a number is Harshad in Java? So, a Harshad number is also called an even number. It's a number that's divisible by the sum of digits. For example, uh, 18 is a Harshad number because 1 plus 8 equals 9 and 18 divided by 9 leaves no remainder. So in Java, in this code, we simply start by taking number input from the user. So then we'll calculate the sum of its digits by repeatedly taking the remainder when divided by 10, which gives us the last digit, and then we remove the digit by dividing by 10. So once we have the sum of digits, we check if the original number is divisible by this sum using the modulus. If it is, we print that it's a Harshad number, otherwise we simply print it's not. This is a great way to understand loops, modulus and basic number logics in Java. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.